Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making cabbage fufu. This is my own version of cabbage fufu, okay? And I'm not going to be using psyllium husks or xyanthan gum. So if you want to see how I made this beautiful looking cabbage fufu, then keep watching. So all you will need is your cabbage. I'm going to be showing you my thickener later. I'm not going to tell you that, you will see it later, okay? So I'm now cutting the cabbage into small pieces and adding it into my blender. So I'm going to be using all the cabbage I showed you now, like I'm going to be using all of that, and that will give me 2 servings of cabbage fufu after making it. So after adding it to the blender, I added some water, almost to the half of what I have in the blender. Then I started blending it. I'm going to blend it till it is very smooth. So when I'm blending, I always start with lower speed and then I increase as I go. So after blending it, I poured it into a sieve to drain out the excess water. And then I went back to slice the remaining cabbage and blend as well. I'm going to repeat the same step, adding water to almost to half of what I have in the blender. Then I blend it until it is very smooth. Now if you have a cheesecloth, it will be much more easier for you, like to extract all the juice, like all the liquid from that cabbage. But I don't have a cheesecloth, so I'm using my sieve to do the work, and it didn't really get rid of all the liquid. So what I'm doing here is I just added it into my pot. I'm going to mix it very well, and then I'll cover it and let the water dry, almost dry. So while that is cooking, I'm going to introduce you to my thickener which is oatmeal. Yeah guys, I'm using oatmeal for my thickener, okay? So I've blended it and this is what it looks like after blending it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using to thicken the cabbage fufu. So at this point the liquid has started drying up, and I'm going to start adding the oatmeal, like the blended one. I've blended it into a powdered form. So I added 2 tablespoons first. I mixed it and it wasn't getting anywhere close to thickening. So I added extra 2. I will keep adding and stirring until I come to a very firm consistency, like not too firm. You will see how it looks at the end. So I added extra 2 tablespoons again, making it in total 6 tablespoons, which you saw. But I later added 2 tablespoons of camera, which in general I added 8 tablespoons of the blended oats. So depending on the quantity of cabbage you are using, you might need to add more or less, okay? Just add until you achieve the consistency you want. So after making the cabbage fufu, I wrapped it with a plastic film. As you can see now, it looks very soft now, but once it cools down, it's going to firm up a little bit. I'm going to let it cool down before I start eating it. So finally guys, this is what my cabbage fufu looks like. You can eat it with any soup of your choice, but I think it goes so well with okra and vegetable soup. So I'm eating mine with some delicious vegetable soup. Honestly guys, this was so yummy. Oh my goodness, it was so yummy. If you're on a strict weight loss journey, this will help you a lot. I want you guys to try this cabbage fufu and let me know what you think about it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.